Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on a Lamborghini Huracan. First, ensure you are seated comfortably and your foot is firmly pressing the brake pedal. This is a crucial safety measure before starting the engine. Next, direct your attention to the center console, where you will find a distinctive red flap. This cover protects the engine start button, adding to the car's dramatic flair. With the red flap lifted, you will see the engine start button beneath. Press this button with a confident push. You will immediately hear the magnificent 5.2-liter V10 engine ignite with its characteristic growl, a sound that truly defines the Huracan experience. The digital instrument cluster will then fully illuminate, displaying all essential vehicle information. After the engine starts, take a moment to observe the dashboard. All warning lights should extinguish, indicating the vehicle's systems are operating correctly. Briefly check your fuel level and other vital gauges to ensure everything is in order for your drive. The parking brake should remain engaged at this point, providing stability before you select a gear. To move the Huracan, pull the right paddle shifter towards you to engage first gear. Then, locate the electronic parking brake button, usually marked with a P symbol, and press it to release the brake. With your foot still lightly on the brake, gently apply the throttle. The car will smoothly begin to move, ready for your exhilarating journey.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.